Hi everyone, welcome to The Real Show. I am Zaynah Thunder. On here, we're going to talk about films, all things and everything films. This is my niche, I love films. I like to talk about films, from directors, from screenwriters, to producers, to cameramen, to light, to sound, all things and everything film. So if you are interested in knowing about all the deets, gossip, gist about movies, this is the place to be. So I'm going to go on a quick commercial break. When I come back, I'm going to be one of my best girls, if not my best girl, Adele Bioma, and she and I are going to be talking about some films that, if not for coronavirus, are supposed to come out in the cinemas, we're supposed to be watching. So I'm going to talk about films like Citation, Bad Comments, Namaste Wahala. Yes, Namaste Wahala, exactly. So when I come back, we're going to give you in-depth knowledge of these films. And you know what, just grab your popcorn, your Coke, even your boo and your bae. This is film now. So when we talk about them, you have to be chilling. It's a chill moment. So I'll be right back.
Enjoy yourself. This is your woman. Don't go borrow somebody.
Be nice.
You're welcome.
Please, where's the restroom?
We're just going to your right. Thank you.
Mommy.
Switching the light. But you see, it's nothing to worry about.
Now, Glow 4G, the wrong thing.
Data is oxygen. Glow 4G, the new speed of life. Your #1 4G network nationwide. The very best from Glow, the grandmasters of data.
Okay, everyone, welcome back to The Real Show. Your favorite movie show. And did I mention I was going to be my best girl on the show? Yes, Adele Bioma. Adele, how far now?
Thank you.
How far? Me and you, we love talking about films.
Yeah, we do.
It's our thing.
Yeah.
It's our thing. So, to be on the show today to talk about 3 of the best films coming out of Nollywood in a long time.
Yeah.
Is something I'm really excited to talk about. And who better to talk about films than with you now?
Oh, thank you for having me. But yeah, like today, I'm just so excited to just go through and see what's coming up. Like I'm looking towards the future because right now sucks. So I just want to see what's out there, what's happening. That's.
So before I delve into the 3 films we have to talk about. Let's talk about the fact that the coronavirus has halted a lot of productions.
Yes.
And I know you're an actress. How is that? How is that for you? How is that for you?
Well, it sucks.
Do you miss set? You miss
I
set?
really do. It's like the best place.
That's a dumb question to ask me.
It's like being on set is like you're not living in the real world. Like there's this fantasy that you've created and they just take care of everything else, and all you do is show up your scripts and you become another person, and it's so fun. And I'm sure every person that acts is just having a horrible time right now. I'm sure of that. Yeah.
So moving on, Ada, we have 3 major films to talk about.
Yeah.
Let's start with Bad Comments.
Yeah.
So Bad Comments is a film. This is an important topic for me because I believe cyberbullying is not talked on enough, and this is a social media age. Many millennials, bullying is a thing.
It's actually a big thing.
Yeah, and it's a thing in Nigeria, and it should be known that it's a thing in Nigeria.
Because me and you, right, we didn't grow up in that period of time where everybody was on social media, that type of thing. So I can't even imagine how the younger
generation, right?
Yeah.
So Bad Comments is about Frank Orji, played by J. Mike. He is a guy who was bullied, and he goes on a revenge spree to, take out the guys who bullied him. Wow. Basically, this is a Moses Inwang film, and Moses Inwang is one of my best men. He's one of my best producers, directors, screenwriters, you name it. He wrote Alter Ego for Motola. I think he worked on Last Flight to Abuja too. There's one film I watched, Itoro, and it was really epic. So Moses Nwang is really fantastic. It has dimension. Jim Ike is very talented.
Kudos to Jim Ike. I mean, like, speaking about longevity, he's been around for
the longest time, and he's still keeping it like till top notch. He has Sharon Oja, who I loved in Oloture. It has Osasi Godaro.
I have a question here. So, like,
Osas, Ada loves you.
Yeah.
It has Osasi Godaro.
Yeah, my
it has Chiwetel Agu.
Yeah.
It has Patience Uzokwa. These are my veteran guys. I love Patience Uzokwa. I feel, talking about longevity, Patience Uzokwa is the best.
Like,
She gets, she's the best. If you're like, and she has gone out of that mother-in-law, wicked stepmother niche. She can even now play this sweet mother.
I remember in Cheap
right?
Daddy, where I was waiting on her to just do something evil, like maybe we find out that it was her that poisoned him. Sorry, spoilers.
So,
but
like, it was so nice too.
Yeah.
Like, and also Young John, the wicked producer. Yes.
Doesn't he do music?
But you know now, if you had Reminisce in King of Boys, if you had Iblis in King of Boys, if you had Vector the Viper in June and Laran the Beat, I think you can have Young John. And if you're talking about cyberbullying, I think it goes with the entire theme of the show. So I can't wait to see.
Young.
Yeah. I can't wait to see. He's actually young. I can't wait to see this one. It looks like something that's going to be really nice. Something that's going to keep us at the edge of our seats. And it's a new theme.
And I just like the fact that, like, we're doing more and more thriller in Nollywood, because I know our whole thing is, you know, the drama and comedy. That's like our most popular. We grew up watching Ake and Popo and all of, like, you know, those are our things.
Shout out to Chinedu KDZ and Oshita here, man.
Yes, or we saw Patience Ozokwa like poisoning someone, or she's reason that somebody did not give birth, or that type of thing. So the drama, all of that is our thing. But I like more, like, I love all these thriller movies. Oloture, like you mentioned, is like coming up, like it just came out, it's on Netflix, and then now this one too. So I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait.
The next film is Citation, Kunle Afolayan Citation. You know, when you mention Kunle Afolayan, you know, the creme de la creme.
Yeah.
You know, the best top tier of movie producers and directors. You know, Mokalik, October 1st, Figurine is my personal favorite.
I love Figurine,
The CEO of Mugwo, he has been like epic in
and
the
consistent.
Consistent.
Very
Like
consistent.
if Kunle Afolayan does a film in a year, the other films are looking at competition. AMVCA, AMA Awards, it's all going to him and all that. You get, so he's like the pinnacle of Nigerian cinema. African cinema, I dare say.
And it's just like, I feel like it's not even about the number of films, it's just like quality. Like,
quality
even
of
if
films,
you made one film and it's just extremely good, it's more memorable than people that, you know, keep on making films and they're not memorable at all.
This is a good one. Citation has Temi Otedola.
Yeah.
In a debut film. Temi Otedola, guys, is the youngest daughter, I think, of billionaire Femi Otedola, and sister of DJ Copy.
Yeah.
So this is her debut film, and I really must commend her taking on such a strong role. So she plays the role of a bright student.
She's a lead, right?
She's a lead. She plays the role of a bright student who takes on an academic establishment when a much loved lecturer tries to rape her. It's based on a true story. So this is like the character of characters to play, and she takes it on.
And coming off the heels of Sex for Grades, I feel like it's such a relevant topic. I feel like people would be really curious also to see, you know, how they handle this. It's such a sensitive.
So I'm liking the trends of these films, like the storyline. I'm liking what they're touching.
They're telling our own stories. We're not trying to copy
any the West.
Exactly.
And they're really things that should be talked on and spoken about in. And what better way to do it, like
art imitates life, right?
And Citation drops tomorrow on Netflix. So Netflix and chill. You know, I mentioned Bo and Bae the other time. This is the best movie to use on Netflix and chill with your Bo or your Bae,
and just test like his, you know, his value system.
You know, small.
See if he's the one. You know how he reacts. You know, now you have to bring
what she said. What
like,
she said.
We'd be like, baby, what do you think about that movie? And if he just says the wrong thing.
Apart from Temi Otedola, it also has Jimmy Jean Lewis, who is actually American, I think. Jimmy Jean Lewis. It has Ajay Anang from Ghana. He's a Ghanaian heartthrob, Adete Anang. It has Iniedo in it. It has Bukumi Oluwashina, Yemi Fashland, so Joke Silva. I love Joke Silva. It has Gabriela Folayon on it, and many more stars. So I don't think we even have to say much about Citation. The expectation for Citation
is very high.
It does like it's
I feel
high,
like
and I feel Kunle Folayon knows what the viewers will expect. He knows what he has brought before, and he knows what he should. Do you get? So I think Citation is going to be a hit, and I can't wait to watch it tomorrow. So we're going to go for a teeny break, and we're going to talk about our last film, Namaste Wahala.
Yay!
And when we come back, stay tuned, guys.
Enjoy yourself. This is your woman. Don't go borrow somebody.
Be nice.
You're welcome.
Please, where's the restroom?
We'll just go into your right. Thank you.
I follow.
But you see, it's nothing to worry about.
Now Glow 4G the wrong thing.
Data is oxygen. Glow 4G, the new speed of life. Your #1 4G network nationwide. The very best from Glow, the grandmasters of data.
Hi guys, welcome back to The Real Show. I'm your girl, Zaynah Atonda, and I'm still with my girl, Adal Bioma. You know, we've spoken about films like Bad Comments, Citation, and to the last film on the list, Namaste Wahala. I think the name pretty much gives away what it's about. So it's an Indian-Nigerian love story. So Hamisha Daryani Ahuja is actually the producer, director, writer of the film. She is a businesswoman who is from India, an Indian businesswoman who has lived all her life in Lagos, Nigeria. And she was like, why can't I just do a film? This has never happened. Bring Bollywood and Nollywood together.
So is this her first ever project in film? Like
her first ever project.
Direct. Is she directing?
Yes, she's directing. Her
Oh
first
wow,
ever
that's a lot to take on.
Her first ever project. And she has Inidima Okoje playing the lead role, and she has Bollywood star Ruslan Mumtaz playing the co-lead, and it has something to do with. So I'm very sure she just looked around and said, "What is the thing that Nigeria and India have in common?"
Movies,
weddings,
lavish
weddings.
Oh, like, that is true.
Big,
and movies,
colorful. Movies too, but big colorful weddings. Do you get? So I'm sure it's going to be hilarious. And she had this to say. She said it's going to be a fun comedy with lots of laughter and a little tears.
Yeah.
Do you get? She literally said that.
That is actually the perfect like amalgamation of Nollywood and Bollywood.
I can't wait to see it because
they do like the whole like epic, like, you know, you lost your lover or blah blah, like, do you know what I mean?
And do you know how I'm a big fan of Bollywood, a big fan, and I know how exaggerated they say the drama is. I know, adding that to how exaggerated Nollywood can be. Do you get? So we're ready for like explosive content.
Like I'm imagining like the colors and like the whole, like, you know how weddings look like. We have our whole gele, different colors, and they have their saris.
They'll make Inidima Ogoje do it like an item number. You know how Indians are very particular about their songs and their dance.
Yes.
And I'm very sure she's going to have to do an item number, like a dance routine or something.
I would
love that. And it has, I've mentioned that it has Inidima Okoje, it has Ruslan Mumtaz, it has Joke Silva, it has Richard Mofe Damajo.
Okay, my faves. They're just packing them up.
So I really want to see what it's going to be. Like the development has been, she's supposed to release in October because of the pandemic, then the unrest in the country, then it has been moved further back. So I'm hoping it gets released before the end of the year. So this is it, Bollywood, Nollywood, this is it. And I really have high hopes for the film because there has been a lot of buzz around it.
And you know, when you mention it, I feel like somebody should have done this sooner because like we all grew up, our mothers all watched Bollywood
People
movies.
still watch Z World.
Until now.
People still watch Z World.
Z World is one of
Star
the
Life.
It's one of the top.
Watch it.
Yeah,
I'm telling you. So
like, why does anybody think about this? This is such a good idea.
Great idea, and she has come up with it, and it's looking like, I've seen pictures on Twitter, on Instagram, and it's looking like it's going to be fantastic.
Yeah.
So big ups to Hamisha Dayani Ahuja. Thank you for bringing Bollywood to Nollywood.
Right?
So Ada, before we go off air, before we end the show, as an actress, we have to give our viewers recommendations for movies, TV shows. So what are you seeing now? What do you love now?
What am I watching
on
right
Netflix,
now?
Prime Video, Iroko TV, Showmax? What are you watching? YouTube. What are you watching?
Recently, like I would say, this is in no particular order, by the way. I'll just say what like I've been recently watching.
Okay, cool.
I watched Oloture.
Oloture, massive. I loved it.
Yeah,
Immense. Yeah.
I love the whole concept because I feel like also
that's an Ebony Life production.
Yeah, I feel like also like with media, I feel like it's very important to actually mirror real life.
Yes.
I feel like, you know, the whole trafficking of a thing is a very big issue.
And kudos to Sharon Oja. People have been complaining that she has been stereotyped to one particular rich girl, fine girl, and she was playing the undercover cop or journalist playing a prostitute. Was really,
that was very different from her. I've never seen anything.
And I really like the end.
I didn't.
The end of the film.
I did not one
Yeah.
bit. Not one bit.
It gave me chills. It gave me chills. I'm like, my boy had good
please, I choose happiness.
Yeah, we all knew it was not going to end. The film had the build up, like it wasn't going to end well anyway.
But it still sucks.
So Oloture
it's good, but I didn't like it. But do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I feel like I have a word to describe what I'm saying.
Oloture is a strong recommendation from Ada.
Yes,
any other ones?
That was really good. I've been watching The Blacklist, which is like an American thriller.
Yeah, it has
James Spader.
James Spader as Red.
Yes, and Megan Boone as what's her name? What's her name on the show?
I don't remember. I know
Elizabeth Keane, right? And they are like she's an FBI agent, and he also has
Brian Eagold, who is also the love interest of
he plays her husband on
the show. So
yeah,
it's a police procedural.
Yeah.
So, and I'm a fan of those. So it's really good. So Blacklist, Oloture.
And I've also been watching Smart Money Woman, which is about like it's really about Lagos lifestyle.
Okay.
You know, it's about, I think it's based on a book by Arese, I forget her last name, but it has like a lot of your favorites. It has Osas in it. It has Tony Tones, who I think she's very talented.
Yeah, she's very good.
And like her TikTok videos, just like I'm like they kill me. Like I'm like I'm really like, you know when you chuckle and then when you're actually laughing.
Yeah.
And I've been enjoying that, and also The Men's Club on Red TV.
On Red TV.
That's been pretty good. How many have I said?
You said like 5. I think
we're done.
I think we should allow our viewers to do it, because I'm very sure people are jotting down and say,
you know, let's not give them too much homework.
Yeah, too much homework, exactly.
Yeah.
So Ada has basically helped us to most of the shows are on Netflix. So Netflix and chill.
YouTube also.
Men's Club is on YouTube. Don't forget to catch our show on YouTube too, and also follow follow us on social media platforms like Instagram. I'm Zaynah Tonda.
And I'm Adele Bema.
Also follow us on The Real Show on Fubu TV. It has been an amazing day on the show. I thank Ada for being on the show.
You're welcome.
I'm your girl Zaynah Tonda. Please stay tuned to this platform. We love movies and we love you. Thank you.